Are you looking for a simple and reliable way to convert CSV files into VCF format? Welcome to WholeClear CSV to VCF Converter, the perfect solution for exporting your contacts quickly, securely, and without any data loss. Designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, this powerful tool enables users to convert CSV files into VCF, vCard, format in just a few simple steps. Key features of WholeClear CSV to VCF Converter. Effortless CSV to vCard conversion. Quickly transfer contact from CSV files to VCF format without data loss. Lightweight and standalone utility. A compact, independent tool that runs smoothly without requiring additional installations. Unlimited CSV to VCF export. Convert any number of contacts without size or quantity restrictions. Supports multiple CSV formats. Fully compatible with various CSV file types generated by different platforms and applications. Step-by-step guide to create multiple VCF files from a single CSV file. Step 1. Launch the WholeClear CSV to VCF Converter on your computer. Step 2. Click Browse and add the CSV file you want to convert. Step 3. Select the option to generate multiple vCard.vcf files. Step 4. Choose the destination location where the converted VCF files will be saved. Step 5. Click Convert Now to begin the conversion process. The software will instantly export all contact from the CSV file into VCF format, ensuring a smooth, secure, and 100% accurate conversion experience. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.